What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review slash tutorial on the Revlon one-step styler, which is this guy right here. This is a tool that helps you blow your hair out. It'll give you a salon looking blowout, so they say. I am a sucker for blowing out my hair the traditional way with the round brush and the blow dryer, so this is a great alternative. I was super skeptical about this just because I love doing it the old-fashioned way, so I really wanted to try this out. If you guys want to see me use this tool and give you my final thoughts, then just keep watching. Okay guys, this is what my hair looks like with nothing in it. It is pretty frizzy. It does have like a wave to it. It does look kind of dry, but it is still damp, which I suggest you do. You do want your hair to be damp, not dripping wet, because that is super bad for your hair and it'll just take you forever. I did already prep my hair with the stuff that I always put in my hair, which is the R&Co Neon Lights, the R&Co High Dive, and the Suavecita Heat Protectant. This is new for me and I freaking love it. It has like the best smell ever. So yeah, you guys, I'll kind of just cocktail the three and then put it in my hair when it's wet. I already did that, so let's just get started. Alright you guys, so I'm going to give you a few pros and cons. The pro, and this is the biggest one for me and it is super amazing, is that for some reason using this gives me a lot less frizz than when I use the round brush, which is amazing. I thought it would have done the complete opposite. I think it's just blowing hair out in random, directions, which usually is what causes frizz, but for some reason this reduces the frizz, which is amazing because I always struggle with little flyaways and breakage and stuff, but I love to blow my hair out. So this was amazing because it gave me a lot more of a smoother look. I do have a few cons. So this is a really big tool, and because of that it is hard to really get into your roots. So if you have curlier hair or wavy hair, I can imagine it would be a little bit of a challenge for you to really get in there and smooth it out. I don't know if you guys can see, but right in here it is still kind of wavy. I just couldn't get this straight, so I'll probably go over that myself, but it did do a really good job. It doesn't give you as much shape on the ends and, like I said, in the roots as a traditional round brush would, but it is okay. It still does a really good job, and I think it still looks like a really good blowout. My last con, and I feel like these two kind of go together, this is a really hot and loud tool. It is super hot. Like, if you are going to use this, I would suggest you don't do your makeup first, because I was sweating, like super sweating, and I had it on the low setting, which is insane. So the reason why I had it on the low setting is because, one, it was too hot, and two, because it is so loud. It makes the loudest annoying noise ever. Personally, it kind of reminds me of like a 90s blow dryer. Like, it's just like that noise. It is super loud, and I don't know, personally I just couldn't take it, so I had to lower it just so the noise would be reduced and the heat, because it was just too much for me. So yeah, those were a few cons. Overall, you guys, this is a really good product, and I just know so many people that have struggled with blowing out their own hair, and they try, or I know it gets like really tiring if you haven't been doing it. So I would definitely say to pick this up. I think it is totally worth it. It is really good. It probably takes around the same amount of time it would to actually blow out your hair. And I think it is much easier and simpler for like a beginner even. So I would say to definitely purchase it, because I actually really loved it. Okay guys, that is it for my tutorial / review on the Revlon One Step Styler. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and leave me a comment telling me what you guys would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.